What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Zamar and I make videos with my R1 and my 370Z. So I am beyond excited to be making this video because honestly, I think I've done probably my favorite mod to date on the Z. I finally put on my V1 Nismo Spoiler. So if you've been following the build, this has been honestly like a month in the making from what you guys have seen since I started filming. But honestly, outside of YouTube, I've been planning this for honestly like since I got the vehicle. I'll do kind of like a quick rundown to explain to you guys how we got here. So before my Z, I had a 2.0 Genesis, put a spoiler on it. The spoiler was loose after like 2 months, and so I ended up buying a used trunk for my 370, and my idea was I'm gonna take the stock trunk that came with the vehicle off, put a new trunk on, and drill the spoiler onto that trunk. So this actually is the trunk from my 370, and the used one is already on the vehicle. So if you wanna watch the video for the trunk, it'll be somewhere over here. And if you want to watch the video for the spoiler, it'll be somewhere over here. And finally, we're at a point where the spoiler is on the car and it looks so freaking sick. Like, as soon as they closed the trunk and I saw it for the first time, I was like, Jesus Christ, this is the best mod that I've done yet. So I'll give you guys kind of a rundown. I have to actually go pick up the vehicle. It's not here with me. So I dropped it off over at a place in Arlington called JayZee Wraps. If you guys don't know them, super sick wrap shop. He actually did probably one of the most famous vehicles he did was Tanner Fox's Guaczilla. I don't know which version it was. I know he's done a couple of them, but it's the red one. So I'll throw up a screenshot of it somewhere. So I hit him up and I was like, hey, I've got a spoiler. I don't want to put it on myself because honestly, if I would have tried to attempt it, I would have just messed it up. Even with it being a used trunk, I didn't want to mess up that one either. So I'll do some B-roll of the footage that I filmed yesterday because yesterday is when I went. So I took the used trunk, and if you guys see those little those pool noodles, me in my infinite wisdom went to Lowe's, bought some pool noodles and used those to protect the trunk during transportation. And then for the spoiler, I just wrapped that in the bubble wrap that it came with. That being said, let's go ahead and cut to me being at JayZee Wraps. This is the last that you'll see me in this video. From here, you guys are gonna go ahead and see before and after of the Z. So if you guys are new here, please like, please subscribe. I'm putting a lot of work into these YouTube videos, trying to make it entertaining for you guys. Or if you could just leave a comment on what you think I should do better. But anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and jump to my base 370Z finally getting a V1 Nismo spoiler.